Good morning. We have ArcSave. I will give a short information for that. ArcSave is a magnetic stirring for the arc furnace, like overall stirring. We have that old product for some years back. Now we develop a new generation which have a little bit high force and direct the melt like that. Then the melt in the furnace is could be in this way or turn back. Okay. The basic system is here. We have this. This is piece of stir here. Yeah, this is the main coil, which is direct the melt to be moved. Last year we have 2 installations. And one is in EBT furnace, eccentric bottom tapping for carbon steel in US. The name of the plant is Steel Dynamics in Roanoke, Virginia. And then the next one is in Avesta. Maybe some of you knows. That is sport type furnace, is 90 ton. And today I mainly talk about the SDI, like the carbon steel furnace. And from the test, we have started hot test in June last year. We have 6 months or 7 month results. We found that with this stirring and the scrap melting is faster. That we also know. The second one is, is the slag and metal reaction is much faster, which is the main indication is the decarbonisation rate is almost doubled. That means if you have high carbon charging in the initial start of the furnace, then you have no problem. Like hot metal charging, pig iron charging with high carbon, then there is no problem. Third one is the yield of the iron is quite high. As we know, when we move when we tap the slag, in the slag we have lots of steel droplets. And because of the magnetic field, that is reduced half. That means is 50,000 tons per month production, you will save around 400 tons of steel, which is a big saving from the economic point. Then another effect is with EBT furnace, when you have this direction of the move, the vortex, you see this circle here, is reduced. About half of the carryover slag is reduced. And this will reduce the oxygen and save the ferroalloy in the next later furnace position. This is a typical phase. But of course, if you are interested in that, we can discuss about in detail. And energy 5%, yield is almost 1%. That is $3 per ton of saving. And then we have repairing of the material, refractory, also reduced because of the superheat is reduced in the slag line. And then carryover slag, as I said, 50%. Tap oxygen is also reduced, 110 ppm. But the carbon is not changed too much. It's changed about 0.002. That means that is also a alloy saving. And the same productivity increased for 6%. Okay. Our staff, we are doing the test, but we are finished soon in June. We also have very good results. And in general, this is the benefits. The total saving from SDI US is $5 per ton. And that is already signed the paper end of last year. So these products will give improved yield, cost reduction, and increased productivity. And this melt shop manager said, yeah, this equipment, we do not need too much like maintenance, like invisible technology, and need the furnace. But it must make this liquid steel safer, quicker, and with low cost. If some of you operate the furnace, we can discuss later. Thank you.